morning, everybody, on the Rosie Murphy channel here in the kitchen on the Rancho, and I wanted to share one quick tip with you guys for preventing clogs of your sinks in your home, be it bathroom sinks or kitchen sinks. The sink behind me, you can see here, the double sink, it was notorious for clogging up. I don't know, every month or so it seemed like I had to snake it out. Finally it got so bad one time I had to call the plumber to come in and have it really snaked out. He told me, if you never want to have to call me again, do this trick on a monthly basis. Take the biggest pot you have in your house, and best would be a five-gallon pot. Stick it on your stove, fill it with water, and boil that water, and very carefully, once a month, pour that boiling water down the drain. What happens is the rush of that boiling water moves all the, well, what I call goo along in the line. The average use of a sink doesn't produce enough water to flush the goo down the line, but having a big flush with boiling water helps melt things and move it along. It's been a long time ago since he came, and I've never had a clog since. Doing my monthly right now. Try it, okay? Make sure you get that water to a good rolling boil, and be careful. Wear protection and get a good grip before you pour it into the sink. And stand back because you don't want to get a steam burn. So here we go. How simple is this? Once a month. And that plumber said, "You will never see me again." And I hope he is right. So far so good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thumbs up or appreciate it.